Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Leia N. Fernandez from Baguio City, Philippines. I am 45 years old and have two kids. They are 25 years old and 18 years old. I am married but separated. I had experience of working as a helper and child care, also housekeeping job. In child care, I worked for 4 years. My main duty is taking care of the special child and give her proper care, like giving her healthy and nutritious foods to eat. I watch and play with her, read books and storytelling books. I give her good baths and play with her in the park. I also had experience in working abroad. I finished my contract as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years. I also took care of two kids. They are twins. My main duty are taking care of them, send them to school, give them foods, cook for them, change their clothes, teach them their lessons, go to the park, also do marketing and do washing clothes. When I go back Philippines, after my contract in Kuwait, I was employed as a housekeeper employee in transients and accommodation units here in Baguio City for almost 4 years. My main duties are cleaning and change the linens and check all the things inside the room. I am a patient woman, trustworthy, hardworking, honest, dedicated, God-fearing, obedient, and lovable. Ma'am and sir, if you choose me as your employee, I'll do my very best in working with you. Thank you and God bless.